Jai Hind, did you fail to qualify the screening test in SSB? Do you want to avoid failing in the screening test? If the answers are yes, this video is for you. The Services Selection Board is one of the most challenging and prestigious gateways to a career in the Armed Forces of India. While the entire SSB process is known for its rigor, Stage 1 or the screening test is often regarded as the most unforgiving. Statistics reveal that a significant number of candidates are eliminated at this stage itself. But why do so many candidates fail in Stage 1 of SSB? First, let us understand Stage 1 testing process. Stage 1 or screening test consists of two components. Number 1, Officer's Intelligence Rating Test. This is a written aptitude test evaluating verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Number 2, Picture Perception and Discussion Test. In this test, the candidates write a story based on a picture flashed on a screen. Thereafter, as part of group activity, every candidate narrates his or her story and then participate in a group discussion to finalize a common story. While these tasks seem straightforward, the evaluation criteria and execution demand a blend of quick thinking, creativity, and communication skills, which many candidates struggle to exhibit under pressure. I shall now tell you the main reasons why so many candidates fail to qualify the screening test. Number 1, inadequate preparation for OIR. Many candidates underestimate the importance of the Officer Intelligence Rating Test. This test measures basic reasoning skills, yet aspirants often fail due to a lack of practice or poor time management. Solving problems quickly and accurately under time constraints is critical, and neglecting this preparation often leads to subpar performance. Number 2, poor story writing skills in PPDT. In picture perception and discussion test, candidates are judged on their ability to perceive the picture accurately, craft a logical and coherent story, and present it effectively. Common pitfalls include writing unrealistic or overly complex stories, failing to identify the central theme or the main character, misinterpreting the picture, leading to irrelevant narratives. Number 3, lack of confidence in narration. Stage fright or lack of confidence during the narration phase is another major reason for failure. Candidates who fumble, fail to articulate their story clearly, or exhibit weak body language often leave a poor impression on the assessors. Number 4, ineffective group discussion skills. The group discussion is perhaps the most critical component of PPDT. Candidates are assessed on their ability to contribute meaningfully to the discussion, work as a team, and maintain composure under pressure. Many aspirants fail because they interrupt others or dominate the discussion, remain silent or passive throughout the conversation, fail to steer the discussion constructively, focusing on arguments rather than collaboration. Number 5, overconfidence or misguided preparation. Some candidates believe that their academic achievements or prior successes will guarantee a pass in Stage 1. This overconfidence often leads to a lack of focused preparation, especially in areas like group behavior and time management. Number 6. Neglecting officer-like qualities. The SSB process emphasizes officer-like qualities such as decision-making, teamwork, and clarity of thought. Failure to demonstrate these qualities in the story, narration, or group discussion often results in elimination. If you found the content useful till now, then please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. How to overcome these challenges? Number 1. Practice OIR tests regularly. Consistent practice with verbal and non-verbal reasoning questions can enhance speed and accuracy. Candidates should focus on solving mock tests under timed conditions. Number 2. Develop story writing skills. Practicing story writing with sample PPDT pictures is crucial. Candidates should focus on writing simple, positive, and logical stories that align with the given picture. Number 3. Improve communication and public speaking. Regular practice of narrating stories in front of a mirror or with peers can boost confidence and articulation. Clear, concise, and confident narration is key to success. Number 4. Enhance group discussion skills. Participating in mock discussions with friends or mentors can help. Learning to listen actively, respect others' opinions, and contribute constructively is vital. Number 5. Stay calm and composed. Mental preparation and mindfulness exercises can help candidates remain calm under pressure, improving the performance in all aspects of Stage 1. If you need help with SSB preparation or any part of it, please WhatsApp on 8777 430 435. I would sum up by saying that the Stage 1 of the SSB is not just a test of intelligence or communication. It is a holistic assessment of a candidate's potential to lead and work in a team. While many fail due to inadequate preparation, overconfidence, or poor execution, success is achievable with the right mindset and consistent effort. By understanding the evaluation criteria and focusing on self-improvement, aspirants can significantly increase their chances of clearing this crucial stage and moving closer to their dream of serving the nation as an officer. Please share the video with your friends and relatives, and please provide your comments. Wishing you success. Jai Hind.